Hi guys, welcome to Alphabetize. I am Jyotiranjan. I hope you all are safe and preparing very hard for your upcoming UPSC 2021 preliminary exam, which is going to be held on 10th of October 2021. We are going to discuss briefly about a topic in this small video, and the topic is the impact of monsoon on inflation in India. I will share my screen because I have prepared a PDF of this document, and please collect the document from our Telegram channel. Also friends, please subscribe our channel. सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बहुत लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है। जो भी वीडियो देख रहे हो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि हमें भी मोटिवेशन मिले आगे जाके और ज़्यादा वीडियो अपलोड करने के लिए। So guys, see the screen and see the highlighted part that says monsoon onset in Kerala likely today, IMD forecast. IMD stands for India Meteorological Department. So we are not going to discuss about this article, about this news. We are having another document I have prepared. So let's have a look on that. This is the thing we are going to discuss today briefly in this small video, and the topic is impact of monsoon on inflation. Okay, so first thing is, before knowing the impact of monsoon, how it affects the inflation or Indian economy. Okay, so we should know what is monsoon and major types of monsoon in India, and after that what is inflation in briefly, then the impact of monsoon on inflation. Monsoon is a periodic wind, especially in the Indian Ocean and Southern Asia. It is a periodic wind, especially in the Indian Ocean and Southern Asia. ओके, ये पीरियोडिक विंड है, रेगुलर विंड नहीं है, सीजनल विंड टाइप का है, ठीक है। देन द मेजर मानसून टाइप्स इन इंडिया, मेजर मानसून टाइप्स ऑफ इंडिया जो है, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मानसून टाइप इन इंडिया इज द साउथ वेस्ट मानसून. साउथ वेस्ट मानसून इज दैट मानसून because of which India experience most of its rain. Okay, so it says rainfall received from the southwest monsoon is seasonal in character, which occurs between June and September. See this part, this is the path of southwest monsoon. Okay, here advance of southwest monsoon 2021 actual, the green lines are the actual advance of that is your path of southwest monsoon. However, the normal should be the red lines. Okay, this should be the red lines, should be the normal path or normal advance of southwest monsoon. However, the actual path of the southwest monsoon this year, that is for the 2021, is the green lines. Okay, सो ये है, इसीलिए 2-3 दिन लेट से मानसून आया है इंडिया में. सो देन द रिट्रीटिंग मानसून, दैट इज़ द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर and November are known for retreating monsoon. Withdrawal, that is withdrawal of southwest monsoon. Okay, retreating means withdrawal. Okay, withdrawal of southwest monsoon winds from skies of North India during months of October and November is known as retreating monsoon. See friends, here the difference is the time period. Okay, the southwest monsoon that occurs between June and September. However, the retreating monsoon, which is the withdrawal of southwest monsoon, that occurs between October and November. Okay. Now, what is inflation? Inflation refers to the rise in prices of most goods and services of daily or common use, such as. Okay, so the first thing is, what is inflation? It refers to the rise in prices of most goods and services. Most rise in the prices of most goods and services is the highlighted part, this part. Okay, so it says inflation is the rise in the prices of most goods and services of daily or common use. यहाँ पे एक इमेज मैंने अटैच कर रखा है, आपको पता चल जाएगा प्राइस राइज हो रहा है, ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाला इमेज में, और राइट हैंड में वैल्यू ऑफ मनी जो डिक्रीज हो रहा है. सो इट हैपेंस इन इन्फ्लेशन. आप सबको पता होगा, थोड़ा बहुत ज़रूर पता होगा कि मानसून कैसे इम्पैक्ट करता है, बिकॉज इंडियन क्लाइमेट इज़ मानसूनल क्लाइमेट। आवर इकोनॉमी हेवीली डिपेंड्स ऑन 3 सेक्टर्स, फर्स्ट योर इंडस्ट्री, then agriculture, then your service sector. So we can say are the 3 pillars of our economy. Agriculture sector, which contributes somewhere around for 17 to 18% towards Indian GDP, and if we will see the manpower or the workforce engaged in this sector, that is in your agriculture sector, that is somewhere around 60% of our population, of our workforce. As our agriculture heavily depends upon rain, and because our climate, that is the climate of India, is monsoonal type, so monsoon has a direct impact on inflation, and also it has a direct impact on Indian GDP. What we have mentioned here, let's have a look. The most basic way monsoons affect food price can be explained through supply and demand. Okay, तो यहाँ पे देखिए जहाँ हाईलाइट हुआ है और ये पूरा का पूरा पैराग्राफ। तो नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, ए नॉर्मल मानसून मीन्स फूड प्रोडक्शन एंड एक्सपेक्टेड लाइन्स, रेनफॉल स्टोर्ड इन रिजर्वर is used for irrigation and is factored in by farmers. When demand is steady or matches supply, price will remain constant. Lower rainfall could lead to drought like conditions and below par production. ठीक है, रेनफॉल कम होगा तो जो फूड ग्रेन्स प्रोडक्शन वो भी कम होगा। ठीक है, द फ्लिप साइड अप्लाइज टू एक्सेस रेनफॉल विच कुड लीड टू फ्लड्स. Both will activate short-term rise in food prices depending on crop. देखिए यहाँ पे ये चीज़ है कि अगर if there will be less rainfall, then it will affect the production of food grains. Also, if there will be more rainfall, then also it will affect the food grain production in the form of फ्लड होगा तो आपका जो खेती है या जो फूड ग्रेन प्रोडक्शन है उसको इम्पैक्ट डायरेक्टली पड़ेगा. देयर विल बी लोअर रेनफॉल, देन देयर विल बी लेस फूड ग्रेन प्रोडक्शन. ऑल्सो इफ़ देयर विल बी हायर रेनफॉल तो उसमें क्या होगा, फ्लड हो जाएगा. तो फ्लड की वजह से जो खेती है, जो एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड्स है, वो सारे सबमर्ज्ड हो जाएंगे वाटर के नीचे. तो इसीलिए वहाँ भी आपका जो फूड ग्रेन प्रोडक्शन वो भी हैम्पर होगा. तो अल्टीमेटली बोथ द केस ऑफ दैट इज योर लोअर रेनफॉल हो या हायर रेनफॉल हो, दैट विल लीड टू द केस ऑफ इन्फ्लेशन. सो ये जो है इसका समरी है ये. सो हायर रेनफॉल ऑल्सो impacts the food grain production as the agricultural fields get submerged under water due to heavy rainfall. तो इसको थोड़ा ध्यान से पढ़िएगा, पूरा का पूरा जो हमने बनाया है PDF. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखिए हाईलाइटेड पार्ट है, इसको भी थोड़ा ध्यान रखिएगा. गाइस प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए ताकि नेक्स्ट वीडियो आते ही आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए. So guys, this small video was all about the impact of monsoon on inflation in India. I hope this will help you a lot. Also please save the PDF of this document carefully. डॉक्यूमेंट को हमारा जो टेलीग्राम चैनल है वहाँ से डाउनलोड कर लीजिए और सेव कर लीजिए आपके पास. ये आपका काम में आ सकता है. ठीक है, एंड गाइस please subscribe our YouTube channel. Also we will meet again with another video. Till that, thank you, bye bye, Jai Hind.